Would you like to try the high-quality sushi vinegar brewed by Kewpie? With a more refreshing taste than any other brand, it's great for sushi rolls that use fried food or strong sauces. Also, its rich taste adds sweetness and flavor to rice, making it a great match with sushi neta toppings. The advantage of using Kewpie brand sushi vinegar is that you can mix with steamed rice without any additional ingredients. Anyone can make sushi rice easily with a consistent flavor each and every time. Also, this product is made in Japan, so the aroma and taste are superior to any US brand products. Please try our savory and aromatic high-quality vinegar brewed by Kewpie in Japan.